Hey guys, welcome to my channel Legal the Legal Solution. Today we are going to discuss about FSSI certification. This certification is given by Food Safety and Standard Authority of India (FSSI), which is responsible for the issuance of food license to food business operators. It is the apex body incorporated by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Government of India is accountable for setting up standards for selling, packaging or storage of food items in India. Additionally, it was set up under the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. So the Food Safety Standards Act 2006 is the act by which the FSSI is run. Same way, the all properties food units required to get FSSI registration license. Property food means an article of food that has not been standardized under these regulations, but does not include any novel food for specially dietary use, food for specially medical purposes, functional food, nutrition, health supplement and such other article of food which the central government may not notify in the behalf. So here the kind of food which are under FSSI. Who requires a basic FSSI registration? Every food businesses operator like hawker, petty seller, etc. having an annual turnover up to 12 lakh is under obligation to register under FSSI law. If you must have a turnover more than 12 lakh after the slab of 12 lakh turnover, then the obligation is manufacturers, procurement, processing, distribution, storage, packaging. On these category businesses falls, then FSSI registration is mandatory. To be more precise, elaborate, any company or individual that operates with food substance from manufacturing unit to serving dishes must obtain basic FSSI registration. What are the benefits of getting an FSSI license? Basic FSSI registration is mandatory for anyone who aims to do food business. This not only involves food preparation but also who handle food and at various stages before it eventually reaches the customer like raw materials, manufacturing, processing, mess, canteen packing and the distribution as well as the agency who have authority to sell them. The benefit of FSSI registration that business help are held as given below. Aware the customer, ensure goodwill and brand image, create trustworthiness, rationalization, maintain cleanliness and hygiene, expansion and growth, provide quality assurance. These are the benefit of having a FSSI license. What is the checklist eligibility for FSSI basic registration? All the small food business operator functioning in one state are good registered under basic FSSI registration. This type of basic FSSI registration must be permitted to state in which the business is located. The eligibility criteria of business FSSAI registration are as follows. Food businesses operator like wholesaler, dealer, distributor, food seller, hawker, bar, restaurant. These are under the conditions. Food storage unit, dhaba, restaurant, hotel with an annual turnover up to 12 lakh. Retailer with operation restricted to sell consumer item. Small scale manufacturers processing products. Food manufacturers unit. Entities that sell food except the one serving at any social religious gathering. The coconut cottage industry related to food. Milk unit carrying dairy product processing that have a capacity not surpassing 500 liters per day or having up to 2.5 tons of milk solid annually. Slaughtering capacity for not more than 2 large and 10 more small cattle, 50 poultry bird per day. So here slaughters who slaughter chicken and all, they also have must to take FSSAI license. Manufacturer or refining in solvent refineries of vegetable oil component like oil expeller devices up to 100 kg per liter. Sorry, 100 kg or liter. Sorry, not including meat and milk per day. What documents required for basic registration? FSSAI declaration, photo identity of business food business operator, a copy of proof of possession of premises such as rent agreement, memorandum of association or article of association, partnership, deed, etc. depending on type of entity, category of food product involved, plan of food safety management system, additional document for manufacturer. If you are manufacturer, then you may needed water supply or water quality certificate or air quality certificate if you are creating any pollution, then and other things required for manufacturers also. There are 3 steps where basic FSSAI registration is happened. Eligibility criteria. If you are eligible, then you are eligible for next step, fee structure, documentation required. FSSAI declaration, verification by authority, approval or rejection by authority, display of certificate of registration. After all this, display of certificate of registration will be shown on your ID. So hey, if you want that FSSAI registration through us legal.in, then you can simply go to our contact page here and contact us on our phone numbers, and our legal representative will talk to you as soon as possible. Here are our phone numbers, and you can also mail us on this mail ID. And if you are near Ramgarh city or Ranchi city in Jharkhand, then you can visit to our offices. You can simply fill this form also for quotation and estimations. Basically, this license is mandatory for Swiggy and Zomato registration. If you want to be a partner with Swiggy and Zomato, you must have food license or FSSI license. Then you comply their circumstances. So you must have food license if you want to go on these type of platforms. And yeah, thank you.